You sound a bit quiet there. Hello? Now this is a little bit better. Hey guys, if your Samsung Galaxy Buds is a little bit too soft, if it's not loud enough, here is something that you can do to fix it. It's actually quite easy, and you just have to open up your Galaxy Wear to make some changes to the settings. Now make sure your Galaxy Buds is connected to the Galaxy device, and here I'm going to launch the Galaxy wearable, and in here what you want to do is go down and tap on touchpad. So tap on touchpad, and over here you got the left and right. Now by default it might set to voice command or ambient sound, so instead of setting to other options, what you want to do is set to volume down and volume up, so that when you're tapping on the pad, it will, you can see here when I tap on the pad, it will increase the volumes. So it will, what you want to do is tap on your Buds touchpad to increase the volume all the way up to the maximum. So instead of using the volume on the side here to increase the Galaxy Buds, you want to also tap on your pads and make sure that it goes all the way up to the maximum, as well as using the volume over here as well. And once you do that, once you have tapped it all the way up to the maximum, what you want to do is then you can then go back to the touchpad and then change it to something else that you had on before. So once the earpads has been set up to the maximum, you can go back and control the earbuds with the volume keys on your device. So you have two different ways how you can control the volumes. One is on the phone, and the other one is on your earbuds. On the side here there is a touchpad, you can tap on that. So by enabling the touchpad to go up all the way up to the maximum, that will increase the volume all the way to the max, so that you can hear incoming calls, or you can listen music louder. And that's it. That's how you can fix it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.